good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here in France, and we are heading out, each and every one of us heading out today to go about our business. I am going to drop Sarah to school. Sarah is heading to school. Tyler is heading to school. Babe just head out to work. And I am here putting on my accessories to step out. I am trying to see which of my pieces I'm to wear today. I feel loved, so I'm wearing love today. Love. Oh, good. Yes, honey child. Anyway, you guys, how are you guys doing? Today is going to be a super busy day. Tyler, stop doing that, please. Today is going to be a super busy day for the gang because we are leaving today for the weekend. Hence why it's going to be a busy day. So stay tuned for this weekend vlog because it's going to be turned up to see where we're going and who we're going to spend the weekend with. I'm sure you guys don't want to miss that. Now let me go ahead and put my love on. There we go. All right, feeling love today. Erin. So yeah, you guys, that's what's up right now. About to head out. Have a little shopping to do on the road too. So hopefully that will go well. That will go well. You want a pee-pee? You guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, stay lovely, stay beautiful, be kind to one another. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys through the rest of today. I'm gonna let you guys say hello to the kids. I'm using you guys as a mirror to adjust my jewelry real quick. Feeling super blessed this morning, so the cross is a perfect one. Yeah, so accessory done. Boom. Ready to head out. Ready to have a good day. Feeling good today. Feel empowered. I woke up and got my workout in this morning, so that is good. Who's kid number one? Gonna say hello. You're too big for me to lift you up these days, but let's see. Oh, my big baby. Oh my God, can you believe that you're gonna be 7 in a few months?
Yes.
Say hello to Faze.
Wagwan.
Ready to go have a good day?
Yep.
And to have a full fun weekend?
Yes.
Look. Say good morning, Faze.
Happy face.
I'm going to
School.
see you guys
Tomorrow.
later.
Later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright, you guys, everybody is ready to head out, so we are gonna head out right now.
Mama, can you help me please? Look like there's too much things in my bag.
Yes, I'll help you. So have a good day. Enjoy all the bits and pieces that we have to show you today, and we'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. Hey you guys, so here's the deal with me today. So I'm in town, just dropped my girl, she's at school, so I have basically 9:30. I have 2 hours and about 15 minutes to kill. So I need to go and buy me some. That is true. He said that this morning is very beautiful. I just looked up and see how beautiful this church is in front of me. So of course I have to, ooh, right on time. Have to show you guys a beautiful shot, and the bell always ring one time when it's 30. So right now you can tell it's 9:30, so it rings once. The tramway is coming down the street. That is what Newstown is right now. But the cathedral is so beautiful. It's a small cathedral, so pretty. What was I telling you guys earlier? So I need to go and get me some breakfast because I did not eat anything before I leave out this morning, and I did not carry any breakfast with me today. So I need to go to McDonald's, get me something to eat, stay there, study some French vocabulary a bit, and then I need to go to pharmacy, get some medicine for Sarah, cough medicine for Sarah, and I need to go to the makeup store. I run out of foundation for my face. My bottle, I have to literally be knocking the bottle this morning to get a little foundation for my face, so I need to go look that, and that should be it until I pick up Sarah. So I'm gonna try and take you guys along with me to Sephora and to the pharmacy to see if I can find this medicine. Anyway, you guys, I'm out here in these streets, so I'll catch you guys later. It's good to talk to you guys without mask. Seeing that I'm keeping it moving and there's no crowd, I can comfortably take my mask off. So that's not so bad, is it? Do something in town where I am so focused, I always forget to take you guys until I left the store. So I just went to Sephora and got everything that I needed. And just in time to go pick up my girl. So I am heading to pick up Sarah right now. Sorry guys, I completely forget to take you guys to Sephora with me. But I was so focused, and then because somebody came to help me to find the things, the correct color and things that I needed, I abandoned you guys for a minute. But town is so busy right now because it's heading towards lunchtime, so there's so much people out here. So I'm masked up and heading to go get my girl right now.
Assez gros pour affronter la vie, trop petit pour être malheureux. Rira-t-on un jour les êtres humains, enterrer les hommes, regarder leur cœur qui se bat pour la vie. Dans le ventre de l'univers, des milliards d'étoiles. Le semeur à chaque instant.
He's singing his song that he learned at school because you have performance at the end of the school term.
Des milliards d'étoiles. Le malheureux.
Bravo! Anyway, you guys, we are on our way to Avignon. Avignon.
I mean, Le Comté.
We are on our way to spend the weekend with my mother-in-law.
Grandma.
Yeah, so it's Friday evening and we're on our way so we can spend a good weekend with friends and family and stuff like that. So you guys will see the real reason why we're heading to Avignon. Anyway, you guys, we stopped at McDonald's to have dinner. Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. So Sarah is there, Tyler is there, and Papa gone somewhere to come back. It's cold. Yummy. La directrice, elle m'a dit, Sarah, elle bouge tout le temps.
Elle ressemble à Kenzo alors.
Hein?
Ils disent elle est allée à la réunion des papes, il y a un temps tout le monde. Et la maîtresse elle a dit, Kenzo il reste 5 minutes assis, après il faut qu'il bouge. Il revient après.
C'est Sarah.
Il fait ses exercices.
C'est Sarah.
Il fait ses exercices tout, mais il faut qu'il se mette debout, il n'arrive pas à rester assis. C'est impossible de le faire rester assis.
But Tyler was like that.
À la maison, il ne tient pas assis. Dans le sens où tu le fais faire des exercices, des devoirs, au lieu de s'asseoir.
You don't see she's sitting. What you bothering her from? Oh la la, Tyler. You guys, we have made it. We have made it to Mama, and everybody's putting on their pajamas to go to bed. So hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We have made it, and we're gonna spend time with Mama and then head to bed and get a good night rest for our day tomorrow. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow. Sarah said tomorrow. Sarah is playing.